देखिए, डिबेट का मतलब क्या है, कोई भी एक पॉइंट रखा जाता है, कोई भी एक टॉपिक रखा जाता है और उस टॉपिक के बारे में अपन जितना सोच सकते हैं अपने अपने तरीके से, इसमें रटने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है। समझ रहे हैं आप मेरी बात को? इसमें रटने जैसा कुछ नहीं होता है। सपोज कीजिए अपन एक वो करते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अपन एक छोटा सा अपन एक मॉडल लेते हैं, है ना। मैं को बहुत देर हो गई बैठे बैठे, तो मैं थोड़ा सा टहलता हुआ चलता हुआ आप लोगों से बात करूंगा। आज मैं बहुत देर हो गई मेरे को बैठे हुए। तो अपने को करना क्या है, कोई एक टॉपिक ले लेते हैं अपन छोटा सा। अब उस टॉपिक के बारे में अपन कितना, सपोज कीजिए अपन ने टॉपिक ले लिया पावर्टी, ठीक है ना। पावर्टी अपन ने एक टॉपिक ले लिया। अब पावर्टी के बारे में आप कितना सोच सकते हो यार, समझो जरा बात को। पहले आप, मैं आपको तरीका बता रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा। कितना सोच सकते हो का मतलब, ये पहली बात तो है कि पावर्टी है क्या। पावर्टी, व्हाट आर द रीजंस ऑफ पावर्टी। पावर्टी समझते हो ना, पावर्टी क्या है, पावर्टी क्या है समझ रहे हो ना, पावर्टी। अब व्हाट आर द रीजंस ऑफ पावर्टी, ठीक है ना। एंड हाउ कैन वी eliminate it, how can we remove it, how can we make people come out of poverty, ठीक है ना। अब इसमें कुछ लोगों के अपने अपने अलग अलग लॉजिक हो सकते हैं। लॉजिक कहां हो सकते हैं, जब आप रीजंस बताओगे तो रीजंस जब आप बताओगे तो उसमें अलग अलग तरह की चीजें हो सकती हैं, अलग अलग रीजंस हो सकते हैं आपके हिसाब से। हो सकता है उन डिफरेंट रीजंस के साथ आप एग्री नहीं करते हो सकता है करते हो। अगर आप एग्री नहीं करते हो तो काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट दोगे कि साहब, सपोज करिए आपने किसी ने कह दिया साहब, इफ आवर पेरेंट्स आर पुअर देन डेफिनेटली वी विल बी पुअर। तो अब क्या ये लॉजिक सही है क्या?
No, sir.
You can produce so many examples regarding that, sir, this is not right. अब क्यों राइट नहीं है, तो आप उसका एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो बहुत सारे और कह सकते हो कि सर, इफ अ पर्सन does hard work, if a person studies, if a person develops his skills, he can definitely uh, come out of his poverty, ठीक है ना। दूसरा आदमी कुछ और उसके बारे में अपना कोई भी चीजें दे सकता है, कुछ ऐसी चीजें कर सकता है। समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात को आप? तो अब इसके लिए अपन क्या करते हैं, अपन अब सोचना शुरू करो कैसे अपन इसको दूर कर सकते हैं। डिबेट का मतलब होता है कि अपने अपने आइडियाज को, अपने अपने थॉट्स को प्रॉपर तरीके से स्टैब्लिश करना, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना। समझ में आ गई बात? तो अब जैसे मान लो मैं कहूं, सबसे पहले मैं अगर चालू करता हूं इस सेशन को, और इफ आई आस्क हर्षित, हर्षित व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट आर द रीजंस ऑफ पॉवर्टी। अब आपको फोकस कर लो अपने आप को पॉवर्टी के रीजंस पे। यस, कम ऑन हर्षित।
So yes, sir, I think there may be many reasons for poverty, like the lack of education, the lack of awareness in today's society, and the lack of financial conditions, and also the lack of good education and good guidance. So that's it,
So,
sir.
okay, Arshit, you are right that you say that lack of education, lack of financial condition. Means if a person's financial condition is not good, he will remain poor. Do you want to say this?
But not, sir, not in all aspects, sir.
Okay, I want to know what does Rakshit say about it. Rakshit, do you agree with Harshit that if financial condition is not good, then you cannot come out of poverty? Rakshit.
No, sir, I don't agree with Harshit because, sir, there is also one thing that plays a very important role to overcome poverty. That is our willpower and our positive thinking. Because because a person who wants to do a thing, if he has the willpower to do the thing, he will definitely do it. And if he has the negative thinking and do not have the willpower to do it, he will not do it. So uh, so thinking also plays. So thinking is also very important aspect of
No, okay, Rakshit, what I am saying that if any student, suppose any student's financial condition is not good,
Yes,
can
sir.
it becomes a hurdle? If you are thinking that, you are saying that with the help of positive thinking, he can solve this problem. I think this is not good. So, Priya, what do you think about it?
Sir, not only positive thinking does not work here. I think we they have to do hard work and employment
No, if
also.
he
They
doesn't have
should be
money, if he
employed
doesn't have
in.
money, if he doesn't have money, he wants to become an engineer.
Yes, sir.
If he doesn't have money, then where will he do his hard work? Tell me. You are right. Hard work is necessary. Positive thinking is necessary. But after going to the college, after taking the admission in the engineering college, but how will you get admission in a college if you are not financially stable? Rohit,
Yes, sir. I agree because I agree that financial condition is important because without the financial condition, if you are hard working and if your will is strong, then it is not enough. Financial conditions are very necessary for your upliftment in the education sector and in the any business sector and any business field. You can improve with a little money, very little money, but in education sector you should have financial status to get something to get knowledge and to improve your status.
if a student doesn't have money, he cannot take admission in engineering college.
Yes, sir, that's
Sir,
true.
No, I am not agree. I am not agree with it. Harsh, what do you say about it?
Sir,
can I?
No one.
I'm in the
I'm
opinion.
asking the names. Then why can I? Can I? What is the meaning of can I? Harsh, only harsh.
Yes, sir. I'm in against of that financial problems are important. If we don't have money, then we cannot participate or take admission in any college. But I am in against of it that there are many programs of government and private means that they provide free scholarship for some by giving some tests, and if we pass them, then we can get free scholarship from them, and then we if we are not having money, then also we can study and take part in any college or university. That's it.
Very good. Very good. So, with the help of loans,
Sir, I want to say something.
yes,
Say scholarships are not available in radical amount. There are very few and very limited seats that only in the proportion of 10,000, 10 or 100 people feel 10 and 100 people can express a scholarship. And so what will happen to the those who are still lacking behind due to financial conditions?
Sir, I have a solution.
Yes.
Sir, if we study in a government college and we get marks in our 12th class, we will get a government college. And
But
if we pass the exam of engineering or the job from the government college, we will study. So we will get a job and we will stable our financial condition.
Banks are there for giving you money. You can obtain loans from the banks and you can continue your studies.
और मैं भी यही
but
बोलने
sir,
वाला
they
था
ask for
बोलने वाला था।
सर मैंने बोला
but
था
sir,
कि
they
नहीं
ask for but sir, the banks ask for collateral and documentation for giving the loans, and a person who is financially weak does not have, mostly he or she does not have these type collateral to give and for giving an asset of himself to get the loans.
Sir, education loans are given to those whose financial condition is not good. For those who have nothing. Okay. I have nothing. I have no land. I have no money. I have no jewelry. But my both children, one my son studied getting loan from the bank, and now my daughter is also doing MBA, but I have no money. So bank gave me 20 lakh rupees loan without any security. But there must be any surety, like where is that child studying, what is the scope after doing that course or doing MBA or doing BTech, whether he would be able or not to get any job, what is his percentage in 12th class or in graduation, what is his or her academic record. Government sees these things, bank sees these things. They don't see what is the economic condition, financial condition of their parents, because education loans are provided to those who are financially weak. So government is there, government has provided you the facility of getting loans so that you can continue your studies and you can change the conditions of your family and you can take out your family from poverty. Okay. Now, the other reason, what do you think of poverty? Lacking of education is okay.
Sir,
Hard work.
excuses.
Yes. Now,
Sir,
yes.
Sir, can I?
unemployment.
Unemployment. What is the reason of unemployment? This is
The
the
lack
now
of education and
what
also
is the reason of unemployment?
Sir, high population.
No, high
of
population
vacancies.
is then the other thing is that most of the people think that only government jobs are jobs. When they get government jobs, they think that they are employed. This is wrong. Make it clear. Each and everyone cannot be given government job. And only those who do not want to work are unemployed. But those who want to work, who are hardworking, those are not unemployed. Most of the people who are unemployed are those who are waiting for the government jobs. Because for them, only government job is employment.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is not the student fault that they are waiting for government jobs. It is the fault of society. and media that they only tells us about 2 or 3 vacancies or 2 or 3 fields in which we can get success.
No,
There are many jobs where we can get success.
there are so lot of jobs. I am also living in this society. I have never thought that my children would get any government job. Never. Never. So it is not the matter of society, yaar. It is the matter of our thinking only. You know, I know one person who used to do work in Maheshwari Public Senior Secondary School, MPS, and he was a PTI there. Now listen to me. And that person, that person is my student. Matlab, I taught him English because he was in English medium school. So it was necessary for him to communicate into English. So many years ago, he came to me to learn this language and I taught him. So that time, that person was physical teaching physical instructor in MPS, Maheshwari Public School. And that time he would get over 50,000 rupees a month. Okay. And he was well satisfied with his work because he was PTI and he did the work of physical education there, so he was satisfied. But few years later, I met him suddenly and I asked him that what about him and what is he doing. So I thought that he was doing work in MPS, so I asked that what is about your MPS and you are doing work there. Then that person told me that sir, I am not there, means I have left MPS where he used to deal with the students of senior classes like 11th, 12th, 10th, 9th. He would teach them how to play and he was well satisfied because he was a PTI, he was a physical teacher. So then I asked him that now what are you doing? So he told me that sir, I am doing a government job. I am in a government school. Oh, very good. So where? So he told me that in Savai Madhopur district. I don't remember the name of the village that he told me. But in Savai Madhopur district, there is a small village where I teach in government school. Very good. In which classes do you teach? Sir, primary classes. And what salary do you get from the government? Sir, 30,000 rupees a month. 30,000 rupees a month means he left the job of 50,000 rupees and is doing the job of 30,000 rupees. And in MPS, he was satisfied with his job. But here, he is not satisfied with his job. Then I asked him that, are you satisfied there? He told me that, sir, sorry, but I am not satisfied here, sir. I regret my decision that why did I join the government school? So what do you think about it? ये मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि 50,000 रुपए की नौकरी छोड़ के 30,000 रुपए की नौकरी कर रहा है सरकार में और वहां पर जहां पर वो अपने मनपसंद काम कर रहा था वो छोड़ करके यहाँ पर अब तीसरी चौथी पहले दूसरी क्लास के बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा है एंड there is no facilities in that village and he is living alone, leaving his family here in Jaipur. So what I want to say that unemployment is not a problem, but the thinking of people is a great problem. Thank you very much. चलिए
सर
बोल
सर आप बोल रहे हो ना कि है ना ये इन लोगों की सोचने की है ना